फातोड्डा स्विमिंग पूल युजर्स क्लब जो आसा हो आयज एक स्पर्धा घडून हाडटा। ही स्पर्धा म्हणल्यार मांडोवी रिवर आसा त्या रिवरार चोडणा सायडीनसून सुमार 22 भुरगीं हे वाटेन पेंवून येतली। हो कार्यक्रम आमी दर वर्सा करता। ह्या कार्यक्रमा शिवाय आमी आमचे जे पूल आसता त्या पुलार आमी वेगवेगळ्यो स्पर्धा करता, पूण खास करून आमी रिवरान ह्या खातीर करता। रिवरान करपाची आनी पुलान करपाची हितून खूब अंतर आसता आनी ह्यो रिवरान करप खूब चॅलेंजींग आसता। आयज आमचे कडेन 22 स्पर्धक आसा, चेडवां आसा आनी बॉयज आहा आनी गर्ल्सूय आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर तितून एक आमचो पाद्री भावूय आसा आनी हे ते वाटेसून ह्या वाटेन क्रॉस करतले आनी हांगा येतले। नॉर्मली हो इवेंट आमी वेगवेगळे करून करता, पूण हे फावटी आमी हांगा करपाक ठरयला कारण मांडोवी जे आहा ही ऐतिहासीक एक न्हंय आसा आनी ते न्हंयेचो लोकांनी आनंद घेवचो म्हणून आमी ह्या स्पर्धा हांगा आयोजन करता आनी प्रत्येक जे आयोजन जातले हितून शामील जातले त्यांच्या खातीर आमी इनामां दवरले आनी ही इनामां दवरून आमी जो स्विमींग जे आसा हेका प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक ताका प्रमोट करपा खातीर हो आमी कार्यक्रम करता।
ओके, आता तुमी जिखतल्यांक कितें तुमी दितले?
ही स्पर्धा म्हणल्यार एक स्पर्धा न्हू, बट इट इज अ इनवॉल्वमेंट। आमी जितके लोक हांगा भाग घेतले त्या लोकांक आमी ट्रॉफीज दितले आनी सर्टिफिकेट दितले। अशें न्हू कोण पयलो येतलो, कारण ही स्पर्धा एका नदयेन आहा आनी नदयेन स्पर्धा करप इतलें सोंपें पडना। त्या खातीर आमी तेंची उमेद वाडोवपाक की हेणी नदयेनूय देंवचें आनी नदयेनूय आपलो कला दाखोवची म्हणून आमी हो प्रोग्राम आयोजन करता।
ह्या भुरग्यांक तुमी कशी तयार केल्या?
आमचे एसएसचे कोचीस आसा, हे कोचीस तांकां ट्रेन करता आनी तेंचे आमी इवन मेडिकल करता आनी वेवस्थीत तयारी जाल्या उपरांत ह्या स्पर्धेन आमी तांकां सामील करता।
तुमचे विशेष कितें तांकां?
आमचे विशेश आसा की हे भुरगे तरणाटे जे आसा जे पुलार वचून आपली जी स्पर्धा करता, पुलार एक्टिविटीज करता, हे जेन्ना रिवरानूय करता तेन्ना एक वेगळी तांकां उमेद येता आनी हे उमेदीन तेणी फुडें एक बरे स्विमर जावचें आनी आमच्या गोंयांक आनी आमच्या देशाक आनी फुडें इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाकूय तेणी आमकां नांव हाडचें हेच आमचो एक हेतू आसा।
Okay, how was your experience today?
Good.
Good. How did you prepare yourself?
First we were taken for practice and then today we can do that.
Okay, how important is swimming?
Swimming keeps our body healthy and fit and it is good for health.
So you have swam in the deep sea today. So how you feel? Good. So you want to continue to become a swimmer?
Yes.
Okay, how did you prepare for the swimming?
We had just gone for a practice, like we saw 500 rupees and then we came 500. Then we are direct over here.
Okay, so you love swimming?
Yeah.
So who is your coach?
Inas.
Okay, so how you feel swimming in the deep sea today?
I enjoyed it. It was very interesting and we learned a new, swimming in a new water.
Okay, so you want to become a swimmer?
Yeah.
You're studying in standard? 7th standard. So you didn't feel afraid to swim? Okay.
Because I love water. My name is Prachi.
Okay. You are in which standard?
I'm in 6th standard.
6th standard. So how did you manage to swim in the deep sea?
It was a quite adventurous and exciting.
Okay, so you didn't get frightened?
No.
So how you prepared yourself?
Sir Inas had prepared before only for this.
Okay. So you are happy in swimming?
My name is Shrimi Kanwar.
Okay. You are from this where?
I'm from Bordago.
Okay. What attracted you to swimming?
I felt that swimming can help, can shape your body and it can make you strong. So I felt interested in that.
Okay. They say studies and swimming. How did you manage?
Actually, I used to get only an hour to do my finishing my studies. So after coming from school, I directly went for studies, and then I used to come here.
Okay. How was your experience today?
It was very good.
Yeah, in the deep sea, you didn't get frightened?
How
did you manage?
Like we are used to deep things, and so I even took us for practices to River Sal over there. And usually in Pagoda also it's deep, so we don't fight.
So you can rescue some people who are drowning. Okay, what's your ambition then?
I want to become Actually, I want to become a painter, but I'm not sure about my ambition.
Yeah.
I'm from Gujarat.
Okay. What attracted you to swimming?
I guess love.
Okay. You are studying?
Okay.
What was the experience today?
It was good.
Yeah, but you didn't get afraid or?
No.
So who parents are supporting you?
Yes.
Yeah, how much?
A lot.
A lot. So you wish to become a swimmer?
Yes. My name is Vedant.
Okay. From where you are?
From Madagaon.
Okay. Which school you study?
Mono Vikas.
Which standard?
Fourth.
Fourth standard. So you like swimming?
Yeah.
How was the experience today?
Nice.
Okay. What is your dream as a swimmer then?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. What was the experience today in the deep sea?
It was nice.
Okay. Who trained you?
So,
Sir trained you. So you like swimming? You wish to swim more? Neha. From where you are? Madgaon. Which school you study? I see. And how did you manage swimming and study? You love swimming?
Yes.
Okay. And who trained you? Sir trained you. So today you have swam in the deep sea. What is the experience? How you feel? You feel happy? You feel happy? Okay. You wish to swim more? Yeah. Okay. All the best. Which school you study?
Holy Rosary.
Okay. Holy Rosary. And how was the experience today?
I enjoyed swimming in the deep sea.
Okay. And in the deep sea, how did you manage? You didn't get tired? So you love swimming? So you want to become a swimmer? Okay. What is your message to young swimmers?
Swim in the My name is Stephanie Putado.
From where you are?
I'm from Margaon.
Okay, Margaon. You are studying in school?
Vidya Vikas Academy.
Okay, Vidya Vikas. And what attracted you to swimming?
Deep sea.
Yes.
I actually like to swim. My dream is to become a marine biologist, so I thought it would be a good experience for me.
Okay. And what was the experience now?
It was a bit scary since I could not see the floor of the sea and I could feel a few drifting birds pass by my feet. But in the end, I swam. It was joyful. There was a lot of exercising being done. So I was a bit enjoying. I had my friends around me, so I'm not that much scared.
Okay. If anyone wants to become a swimmer, what must they do?
They must practice every day. Most of all, just enjoy swimming. Don't be that competitive and just go with the flow. Enjoy with your friends. There's one
They say they are afraid of drowning. What message you want to give to the young swimmers?
drowning. I don't know anything much, but you should not get scared. If you just relax your body and lay down your back and actually float, you should not get scared. But the more you get scared, the more you'll actually drown. So you just relax and move your body to the water.
Is there any health benefit of swimming?
Yes, it helps to grow tall, reduce weight, control blood pressure, and keep your mind, body relaxed and free from stress and all that.
Okay, so you wish to become a swimmer in future?
Yes, kind of.
My name is Skyla Barito.
Okay, you from which school you are?
I'm from Vidya Vikas Academy.
Okay, and how was the experience today?
It was a little bit scary and it was very good.
Okay, you are swimming for the first time?
No.
You swam before? Okay, what was your experience?
Good.
Good. You want to become a swimmer?
Yes.
Okay, and who trained you?
Inasa.
Okay, and you, how was your experience?
My experience was very good.
Very good. And who trained you?
Inasa.
Okay, and what message you want to give to the swimming people?
Practice a lot.
Okay, so you can become a good swimmer.
Yes.
You didn't get afraid on the deep sea?
No.
No. So you wish to become a good swimmer?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Is Mr. Francis Clark, who's been organizing this event for so many years along with other colleagues. And James Esteberio, who is behind the entire program, training the students in this swimming event. Could you please, together, ladies and gentlemen. Next, yes, please come and present a bouquet to Mr. Prahar Savaldekar. Another bouquet going to Mr. Datta Prasad Aunskar. Yes, please. Thank you so much. And as a host, they have been behind this event, as I've said. James Esteberio, the coach. Without a coach, no event can be successful. James Esteberio, please come. Mr. Gaurav Sawant. Sir, I know we have lack of plates. And least and not the last, Mr. Francis Clark, please. So, very shortly.
First of all, let me congratulate to the organizing team, parents, as well as all the swimmers who are present here. See, no one knows what could be, what has been stored in your future. One may become a national champion. So keep doing this. Keep doing this with passion. Take some efforts. Take some more extra efforts. Now your parents have inculcated this habit in you. So take it forward. And if you stay behind in any activity, then don't lose hope. Just try to overcome all those hindrances and keep motivating yourself. You'll surely get to the destination where of what you dream of.
So second participant is Yash Savaldekar. I request him to come in front. Yash Savaldekar.
Yes, Savaldekar.
So third we have Shrimi Kamath. Come on, Shrimi. Next we have Skyla Barreto. Please be here. Hi. कितले? 5 So next we have Prachi Lotlekar. Now I request Gaurav Sawal to present this certificate and sheets to Omong Gowns. Omong Gowns. Omong Gowns. Omong Gowns. Masum ka. Trophy je mujhe ka. Yo kam dise. Trophy gela. Kam dise. Yo. Next we have Vedant Dattaprasad Aunskar. Mama to Bacho.
After the presentation, we are going to have a group photo. So you'll have to wait.
All swimmers wait, huh? Don't go.
Next we have Tanish Naik. Next we have Ethan I. Fernandez. You collect the certificate. आणि कोण आहे?
John Clark.
Now I request. Yeah, come. Yes, so I request John Clark to accompany to give certificates to.